Wait, are you still flipping between apps on your Mac the hard way? What if I told you there's a simple trick to use two apps at the same time without losing your mind? You could be taking notes while watching a video, checking emails while browsing the web, or comparing documents without switching windows over and over. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use split view on your Mac. Step by step. It's easy, it's fast, and once you learn it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Open the first app you want to use. Safari, Notes, Mail, Pages, anything you need. Most apps that work in full screen also work in split view. Choose the app you'll be using the most because you'll place it on the left or the right side. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the window. Hover over the green full screen button. Don't click. Just hover. A small menu appears. You'll see options like Tile Window to left of screen and Tile Window to right of screen. Pick the side you want. Your app snaps into split view instantly. Your other open apps appear on the other side of the screen. Click the one you want to pair with your first app. It fills the remaining space automatically. If the app you want isn't showing, it may already be in full screen mode. Exit full screen for that app, then try again. Move your cursor to the divider between the two apps. Click and drag it left or right. Give one side more space. Or keep it balanced. It's completely up to you. Some apps need a minimum width, so the divider may stop before you go too far. Swipe up with 3 fingers or press Control and the up arrow to open Mission Control. You'll see all your desktops, full screen apps, and split views. Swipe left or right with 3 fingers to switch between spaces quickly. You can also drag another app into split view from Mission Control. To replace one side, move your cursor to the top of the screen until the window buttons appear. Drag and drop between apps, move text, images, and files without switching windows. Use split view for comparing documents, following tutorials, doing research, or watching videos while you work. If an app doesn't support split view, open a second window of that app and tile that instead. You can also create multiple desktops, each with its own split view layout. If an app doesn't show up when choosing your second app, it's probably in full screen mode. Exit full screen and try again. If the divider won't move, the app needs more space. If gestures aren't working, check your trackpad settings under System Settings. Split view works separately on each connected display. That's it. Now you know how to use split view on your Mac. Hover over the green button, tile your first app, pick your second app, and adjust the divider. It's one of the fastest ways to multitask. Try different app combinations. Experiment with multiple desktops and make your workflow smoother than ever. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me, what's your favorite split view combo?